What's up YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I want to go over a transformation of a bedroom in my house to my YouTube studio. So what I got here is a desk. I used to use this for customer service. Over here is like a window. So the plan is we're gonna go ahead and make this corner over here. This is going to be kind of like the backdrop. We're going to have some stuff on the wall. We're going to paint. That is the next step. We're going to paint, and then we're going to move the desk out here, and then we're going to obviously have like a boom mic, potentially 2 boom mics down the road for like interviews and whatnot. And so that is the plan for the YouTube studio. So here we go. Alrighty, so that is a wrap. We got the studio built out. It's still a little bit of a work in progress. We're going to probably be putting in some, still playing around with the camera angles and whatnot. And I got a big desk here so I can, shoot from the front, shoot from the back. I'm actually going to conduct an interview in here in a little bit. But, the channel's growing nicely. We're up to about almost 2,500 subscribers. We're just below that right now. And I'm about 200 hours, watch hours away from hitting the 4,000, which is YouTube's metric for monetizing the channels nowadays. You have to have 1,000 subscribers, which I've had that for a long time, and 4,000 watch hours, which is a little bit harder to achieve before you're able to monetize. Now, I don't know if I'm going to go ahead and monetize this channel or not, because I do really just like to promote my own products. I don't really like promoting other people's products as far as like educational classes and stuff go. I'd rather just promote my own stuff. And I know what happens as soon as I monetize, then every internet marketer and their brothers out there promoting all their own stuff on my content. And I know another big internet marketer that I follow. His name's Bachelor, and his channel's not monetized. No, he's got over 100,000 subscribers and probably a lot of watch hours. He's a big channel, obviously something to strive for. But over time, I plan on getting up to that level as well. I think I'm at about 350 videos right now in that neighborhood. And I've always said this program that I'm on here, this plan, is a 500 video experiment. So I'll probably hit 500 videos sometime next year maybe, or end of next year, or even the following year. And as I progress in getting better at videos, doing stuff like building a nice studio, and upgrading my equipment, getting better at using Premiere, getting better at Photoshop, and upping my skills, upping my game, so that everybody, so my channel just gets better. Okay, that's the whole idea here. Over time, you're going to get better. If you look at this video compared to a video that I did, probably a year and a half ago, it's like night and day. I'm better on camera. I'm more comfortable on camera. I have a better setup, better camera, better lighting. And my lighting can improve. Okay, and, even the camera can go up another level. There's always another level to achieve. I got a boom mic over here that I don't even have the proper attachment for, so I got to go ahead and figure out that this week, and I want to set up like a boom mic in here. Make this more like a radio type of show. I'm not going to shoot in this particular studio every single video. I'm still going to do the green screen and do a lot of how-to stuff, but occasionally I'll go over here. I also have a large whiteboard over there I'm going to be doing some teachings from. But I've kind of proven the concept right now, as I've just about been able to get to the point of monetization on this channel. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to monetize it or not, but the subscriber count is going up about 150 every 28 days, which is great. The watch hours continue to go up. I'm getting a lot of people hitting me up saying thank you for the content. They're appreciative of all the effort that I've been putting into this channel. I do show a lot of like how-to stuff, not a lot of fluff on this channel. If you go to some of the bigger YouTubers, they put out a video on like the top 10 ways to make money, and they got like a gazillion videos or a bunch of different stuff on their channel about like doing stupid shit like surveys and Amazon, a mechanical Turk and stuff like that. It's not lucrative. You're not going to make a lot of money with stuff like that. This channel, we actually, I have authoritative websites. I have an e-com store. I have affiliate marketing. I have my own courses. I teach people, how to do stuff that actually you can turn into like a life and a career and a business. And that's the whole idea of this channel. So, as we progress, and hopefully you guys like the new setup here with the studio, leave maybe a comment below and let me know what you think of the color. It's kind of my signature here. I got the yellow, neon lights on the bottom here, and then I got the purple background. If you notice, I do kind of a yellowish gold here on the images that I found on Home, what place is called Home something or other. It's down the street from my house. Anyway, so if you guys do like the new channel, I'd love your input. Let me know what you think. I got Santa Claus here next to me. He's kind of hanging out for the next couple weeks, probably the next month or two. So, and I got my ClickBank Platinum Award here. He's hanging out. I was gonna put that up on the wall, but it's kind of looks kind of small on the wall. So I got to figure out if I'm gonna put some kind of like frame around it and then put it on the wall. That's something that I didn't anticipate here when I was building out the studio, but I'll get to it. I got to get the boom mic set up, and then we'll be fully set up in this office here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today. The YouTube channel is growing. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, bang the notifications bell. And like I said, if you see anything in this shoot that you think I should add to this studio, or you got some ideas for me, I'm not an expert in building out YouTube studios. This is my first attempt at it. And if you like what you see, I'd appreciate a comment below. And I do enjoy all the support on this channel. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.